Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix Love Spouse app not connecting after update, troubleshooting guide. Fix 1. Restart the app and phone. First completely close the Love Spouse app and then restart your smartphone. Then open the app again and try connecting. Fix 2. Check Bluetooth permissions. Open your phone settings, then go to apps. In it, find Love Spouse, then go to permissions. Now make sure Bluetooth, nearby devices, and location permissions are enabled. Then relaunch the app and reconnect. Fix 3. Repair the device. Turn off the Love Spouse device, then remove the device from your phone's Bluetooth paired device list. Then turn the device back on and enter pairing mode. Open the app and complete the pairing process again. Fix 4. Clear app cache. Go to settings, then go to apps. In it, find Love Spouse and select storage and cache. Now tap on clear cache and restart the app and test the connection. Fix 5. Reinstall the Love Spouse app. Uninstall the Love Spouse app, then restart your phone. Once your phone restarted, download and install the latest version and sign in and reconnect your device. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.